Good morning, children. That is sixth chapter, linear equation, two variables. Okay, already two classes is over. One is Zoom class, one is a video class. This is third class. In this class, we have discussed the graph of the linear equation, two variables. Okay, here general equation of linear equation, one variable, that is ax plus b equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. General equation of linear equation, two variable, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. The graph of any linear equation, that is one variable or two variables, whatever it may be, therefore that is graph is a straight line. Today now we will discuss the graph of linear equations. That is 6.3 exercise. Draw the graph of exercise 6.3. First one, draw the graph of equation, that is 2y equal to minus x plus 1. Okay, therefore here this 2 is changing to this side, y equal to what? Minus x plus 1 by 2. X, y, x comma y. Here substitute x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1. Here substitute in equation. Therefore y equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore y equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is 0 by 2. 0 by anything, that is 0. Therefore y value is 0. That is 1 comma 0. Next substitute x equal to 2. Therefore y equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Therefore y equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore here substitute x equal to 2. Y value is minus 1 by 2. That is 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Next substitute x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Therefore y equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Therefore y equal to minus 3 plus 1, that equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 ones. Therefore y equal to minus 1. Substitute x equal to 3. Y value is minus 1. Therefore the point is y 3 comma minus 1. One more time see. Substitute x value is 1, 2, 3. Or whatever it may be your choice, that is. Substitute x equal to 1. Therefore y equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore y equal to 0 by 2. That is y equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 2. Therefore minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, that equal to minus 1 by 2. Y equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute x equal to 3. Therefore y equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Therefore y equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 once. Y equal to minus 1. Then draw the graph. Here horizontal line is called x-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Here x-axis, here negative x-axis, y, negative y. Here the point of intersection of x and y-axis is origin. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here write a scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. Here horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. The point of intersection of x and y-axis is origin. Here 1 comma 0, 2 comma minus 1 by 2, 3 comma minus 1. First 1 comma 0. Here 1 comma 0 is here 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Here 2, 1 by 2. Therefore here Next one is here 3 minus 1. here, that is 3 minus 1. Here 3. Here join the 3 points by using the scale. By using the scale. Therefore, graph is a straight line. Therefore, your first right points 1 comma 0. Next one is 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Here is 3 comma minus 1. Therefore, here the graph is here this one right to 2y equal to minus x plus 1. Okay. Here the floating points is here the graph of that is a straight line. Okay. Therefore, here 1 comma 0, here 2 comma minus 1 by 2, 3 comma minus 1. The graph of any linear equation 2 variable, that is a straight line. Okay. Okay. Next one is second problem. Here, in first one, second problem. Second problem, that is minus x plus y equal to 6. Graph of this one. Here, first this x is changed to that side, y equal. Here, minus x plus y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 plus this minus x is changed to that side. Therefore, here. Here x, y, x comma y. Substitute x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Therefore, y value equal to what? 6 plus 1, that equal to 7. 7, 1 comma 7. Next, x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0, y value that equal to 6 plus 0, that equal to 6. That is 0 comma 6. Next, third one, x equal to minus 1. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. 6 minus 1, that equal to 5. Minus 1 comma 5. Here, substitute x equal to 1. 6 plus 1, that equal to 7. Next, x equal to 0. 6 plus 0, that is 6. Next, x equal to minus 1. 6 minus 1, that equal to 5. Draw the graph. Here, see, here y value is 7 is there, 6 is there. Here, horizontal line is x axis. Here, negative x axis. Here, y axis. Negative y axis. That is 0. Therefore, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one is here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here write scale on x axis. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, first draw the horizontal line, that is a x axis. Draw the vertical line, that is a y axis. The point of intersection of x and y axis, that is a origin. Next, indicate the values 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we have to take small values, that is the graph is big. Therefore, you have to take the big values, that is a small graph. Okay. Therefore, here first one is 1 comma 7. Therefore, here 1, that is 1 comma 7. Next one is here 0, 6. Next one is here minus 1, that is 5. The graph, join these all points. This is a straight line. Here first write points 1 comma 7, here 0 comma 6, here minus 1 comma 5. Therefore here minus x plus y equal to, that is given equation only, that is graph of which one? Minus x plus y equal to 0. Okay, the graph is what? Straight line. Graph of any linear equation two variable, that is a straight line. Next, second question. Here, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation and answer the following questions. Here, draw the graph of the following. Draw the graph. Here, first one, y equal to x. Second one, y equal to 2x. Third one, y equal to minus 2x. Okay. Next, y equal to 3x is there, y equal to minus 3x. That is, do your one. First one, that is y equal to x graph. Here x, y, x comma y. Here, substitute x equal to 1. Y value is what? That is 1. 1 comma 1. We have to take x equal to 0. Y value also 0. 0 comma 0. Next, x equal to minus 1. Therefore, y value also minus. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Next, second one, y equal to 2x. X, y, x comma y. This is y equal to 2x. We have to take x equal to 1. Here 2 into 1, that is a 2. 1 comma 2. Next you have to take x equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 comma 0. Next 2, x equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1, that is a minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Next we have to take y equal to minus 2x. X, y, x comma y. We have to take x equal to 1. 1. Therefore 2 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. Next x equal to 0. 2 minus 2 into 0, 0. 0 comma 0. Next we have to take minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. That is positive value, that is minus 1 comma 2. Next draw the graph. First one, see y equal to x. We have to take x equal to 1, 0, minus 1. Find the y values. Y value 1, 0, minus 1. Right, order pair 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 1. Next y equal to 2x. Substitute x value 1, 0, minus 1. X equal to 0. X equal to 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. Next 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. That is right, order pairs. Next y equal to minus 2x. Substitute x equal to 1, 0, minus 1. Whatever your choice, that values x values. Therefore y value also changes. We have to take x equal to 2. Therefore minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Okay. Therefore here 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 2. Therefore minus 1, that is get 2. Okay. Next to draw the graph. Here x axis, y axis, negative x axis, negative y axis. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, here first one is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Next 0 comma 0. Next one is here minus 1 comma 1. Therefore join these 3 points. Therefore this graph is y equal to x. The point is 1 comma 1. Here 0 comma 0. Here minus 1 comma minus 1. Write a scale on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, next one, second one, 1 comma 2. Here 1, that is 2. Next here 0 0. Next one minus 1. Here join the 3 points, that is also passing through origin. Y equal to 2x. Next write the points. Here is 1 comma 2. Next one is here 0 comma 0. Next one is minus 1 comma minus 2. Next third one 1 comma minus 2. Here 1 minus 2. Next one is 0 0. Third one minus 1 2. Okay, join these 3 points. Here minus 1 comma 2. Here 0 comma 0, 1 comma minus 2. The graph is y equal to minus 2x. See, observe this one. Here y equal to x, y equal to 2x, y equal to minus 2x, or whatever it may be, y equal to 3x or y equal to minus 3x, whatever it may be, that is always passing through origin only. Okay, yes, see, this is origin. Okay, therefore y equal to 2x or whatever it may be, therefore passing through origin. Here some 3 questions is given. See, are all the equations of the form y equal to mx, where m is a real number? Yes, m is a real number. Here m equal to 1, m equal to 2, m equal to minus 2, whatever it may be, therefore that is a real number. Are all these graphs passing through origin? Yes, all these graphs are passing through origin. What can you conclude about these graphs? Therefore y equal to mx, the type of graph is always passing through origin. Okay, next question. Next, third question. And draw the graph of the equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Find the from the graph value of y when x equal to 1. Okay, here given equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This 2x is changing that side, 3y equal to 11 minus 2x. Therefore y equal to the 3 change this side, that equal to 11 minus 2x by 3. Substitute x values. Suppose x equal to take 1. X equal to 1. Substitute this equation or this equation, you get same answer only. Y equal to 11 minus 2 into 1 by 3. Therefore y equal to 11 minus 2 by 3. Y equal to 9 by 3, 3 threes. Therefore y equal to 3. Therefore here substitute 3. Therefore 1 comma 3. Next substitute x equal to 2. Therefore y equal to 11 minus 2 into 2. Yeah, substitute minus 2 by 3. Therefore y equal to 11 minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. 11 plus 4 by 3. Y equal to 15 by 3. 3 5s. Y equal to 5. Here substitute x equal to minus 2. Y equal to 5. 2 comma minus 2 comma 5. Next substitute x equal to 4. X equal to 4. Y equal to 11 minus 2 into 4 by 3. Y equal to 11 minus 8 by 3. Y equal to 11 minus 8, that is 3 by 3. 3 3 is 1, that equal to y equal to 1. Here 4 1 4 comma 1. Here one more time, see x equal to 1. Therefore 11 minus 2 into 1. 11 minus 2, that is 9. 9 by 3, that is 3. Y equal to 3. 1 comma 3. Next substitute x equal to minus 2. Therefore minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. 11 plus 4 by 3, that is 15 by 3. Y equal to 5. Next substitute x equal to 4. Y equal to 11 minus 2 into 4. 11 minus 8. Therefore y equal to 11 minus 8 by 3. 3 by 3, that equal to 1. Next here order by C, 1 comma 3 minus 2 comma 5 4 comma 1. Next draw the graph. Okay, here draw the horizontal line. Draw the vertical line. Here horizontal line is x axis and negative x axis, and this is y axis. Here negative y axis. Here write a scale. Here 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3 4 5. Here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Here first point is 1 comma 3. Here 1, this is 3. Next one is minus 2 5. Here minus 2, that is 5. Next one is 4 1. Here 4, this is 1. Join the 3 points. Okay. Here the points are 1 comma 3 1 and 3. Here minus 2 comma 5. Here is 4 comma 1. Here this graph is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Okay. Next scale on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. Here plotting the points on a graph paper, and you get the graph is a straight line. The graph of any linear equation, that is two waves, that is a straight line only. Okay. Next one. Here, fourth question, that is draw the graph of the equation y minus x equal to, find from the graph the value of, that is do your own, draw the graph of the fifth question 2x plus 3y equal to 12, that is same as the third question only. Next, draw the graph of the equation, that is sixth one, that is same only. Okay, here that equation is given, that is substitution x values, change the y value. X value changes, y value always changes. Okay, any three values or any two values is enough to draw the graph. Okay, 2 points. Next one is seventh question. Here word problem is given, that is word problem is converted into equations. Rajya and Preeti, two students of the class 9th together collected the 1000 rupees for Prime Minister Relief Fund. Here write the linear equation and draw the graph of the defeat the statement. Here Rajya collected the amount. Rajya collected the amount that equal to x rupees, and Preeti collected amount. Preeti collected the amount. Collected the amount that equal to y rupees. Okay. Therefore, here total collect the amount. Total collected the amount that equal to 1000 rupees. Total means that is both students, that is Rajya and Preeti collected the amount. Rajya collected the amount is x rupees and Preeti collected the amount is y rupees. Therefore, x plus y equal to, that is 1000 rupees. This x is changed, that side y equal to 1000 minus x. Here. Yeah, substitute x equal to, your side, that is x equal to 300. Y value is 1000 minus 300, that equal to 700. 300 comma 700. Substitute x equal to 500. 500. Therefore 1000 minus 500, that is 500. Therefore 500 comma 500. Next, you substitute x equal to 700. Therefore y value is 300. Therefore 700 comma 300. Okay. Next, here draw the graph. Yeah, this is x-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis, here negative y, here 0. Next, here multiples of 100 is there. Here also we have take 100, 200 and here 700 is there on y-axis, x-axis also 700 is there. Therefore, we have to take 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 400, 500, 600, 700. Here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Here minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300. Here write scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. Okay. Here 100 to 200. Here take 200. That graph is small only. Here 300 and 700. Here 300, 700. Next one is 500, 500. Here 500. Next one is 700, 300. We are joining these 3 points by using the scale. compulsory these 3 points compulsory by using this scale only. Therefore here the point is 700 comma 300. Here this is 500 comma 500. This point is 300 comma 700. The graph is x plus y equal to 5000. Okay, therefore any word problem converted into first equation, linear equation, then graph, draw the table, and here y equal to 1000 minus x, substitute x values 300, get y value 700, x value 500, y value also 500, next x value 700. Therefore here x value increases, y value decreases. Yes sir. Okay, you are plotting the points on a graph, therefore that is a straight line only. These all problems everyone practice in a graph paper, graph book. Okay, every problem that is very very important in summative 1 or summative 2 compulsory one graph, that is 4 marks question, and 2 marks question also one graph, that is. Okay, thank you everybody.